And the first of the 90-second statements today is Elin Jones.
Aneurin Jones was the artist of his people, and his people were the characters of his youth in Brecknock and later on in the countryside of West Wales. His canvas was the second half of the 20th century in these rural communities, and his characters can be seen standing and chatting in the mart, running Welsh ponies and cobs, singing or playing drafts, feeding the chickens or standing by the chapel gate. Personally, as for many others, I'm sure, I see my grandmother's colourful apron or my grandfather's square frame in these images. Aneurin Jones was a popular artist with a stream of visitors coming to his home studio, and both he and his son Meirion had a gallery in Awen, Tavy and Cardigan. Aneurin was just as much of a character as all those depicted in his artworks. He was a teacher, a leg puller, he was kind-hearted, and he was a proud Welshman. He was loyal to his people, and his work neither aggrandised or belittled his people, but recorded their lives in art. And that artwork was commended and praised by his fellow artists in Wales and beyond. Aneurin died last week, one of our country's great artists, an artist who knew his people and who belonged to his land. It is a privilege to acknowledge the art and feat of Aneurin Jones here today in our Senedd.
Diolch. Susie Davies.
Diolch Elin am hynny hefyd. Fi'n